Hey guys, it's Tech Racer, and today we're going to unbox a Bluetooth headphone from the company called Intex, and the model number is Jogger-B. Now the best thing about this is that it's a wireless since it contains the Bluetooth. So it can take a audio input via Bluetooth. It can also accept a micro SD card. You can also use it as a call receiver, as you can see here. And the best thing about this is that it has an LCD display, as you can see here. And the price quoted at the box is 1600 rupees, but you can easily get it for 1200 or even 1000 rupees. Now here are some technical specifications, as you can see, and it contains a 300 milliampere hour battery which supposed to juice up the headphone for about 5 to 6 hours on continuous usage. Now at the left side we have some features which are mentioned here. You can pause the video and read all those features. So let's quickly open the box and see what do we get inside. So when we open the box, we are first greeted with the headphones itself. So these are the headphones, as you can see, and further in the box we have a micro USB cable which is used for charging the headphones, as it contains the 300 milliampere hour battery. Then we have the user manual which you can read if you want, or else you can throw it. So these are the headphones, and initially the headphone size is so small, as you can see. I can just easily fit those in my hand. So yes, you can easily carry these headphones even in your backpack. So these are the headphones, and as you can see here is the display, and I guess it's an OLED display. So here is the Intex branding, and at this side we have again the model number written here. And on the right headphone we have the control. As you can see here, we have all the buttons here and display also here, and even the charging and the 3.5mm headphone jack is here. And at the top we have here a slot for the micro SD card. And here we have a toggle switch for on and off. So let's quickly turn it on. And now currently it is in a Bluetooth mode. So let's quickly pair it up with my phone. So as you can see, so let me turn on the Bluetooth and turn it on. And as you can see, Jogger-B. So just tap on it. Pair. And as it said that the Bluetooth device is connected successfully. So yes, as you can see here, we have connected it successfully. So let's try to play a song. So here's the NCS. So yeah, and currently this audio is via the headphones, as you can see, and the volume is at 22, and let's see how much high it can go up to. And yeah, it can go up to 30. And as you can see, the audio is pretty loud. You can even hear the audio without wearing these headphones, so that's pretty good. And you can quickly switch the songs from here also. So just click on this button. So if I just go forward, so you can just and we can even switch the songs from here only. So let's go to next song. As you can see, it switched to next song. You can even increase the volume from here. So yeah, as you can see, let's switch to new song. It quickly switches to the new song. And yeah, it can also take in audio input via the 3.5mm headphone jack, and you can also insert a micro SD card from here, so it can read it from the micro SD card, and you can play those songs here as well. And as you can see, here is the button for sending and ending the call. So if you got a call, you can just press this button, it will attend the call via the headphones. So that's pretty good features. And you can even pause the music from here. So just click on this and it will pause the music, as you can see. So yeah, it's pretty good headphone for the price that you are paying. So if you are in need of a Bluetooth headphones, so do check these out. These do perform really very good, and it has 300 milliampere hour battery, and optimum output of the battery is about 5.5 hours to 6 hours of music playback continuously at 50% volume. So that's pretty good. And you can even quickly charge these headphones via this micro USB port, and the cable provided inside the box. So that's pretty good, and even the build quality is also pretty nice, as you can see. So, and the cushioning is also pretty good, so we do have some noise cancellation due to this cushioning. So guys, this is it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.